Hello everyone, today I will introduce you to our project, a simple calculator, developed using Qt Spin. Okay. First part, introduction. This project allows users to perform basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The program will ask the user to enter two integers and an operation symbol, and then the system will perform the corresponding operation and output the result. The purpose of our project is to develop the simple calculator that accepts and calculates integers and operators entered by users. This program is developed using Qt Spin as ASCII. The main functions of our program are: users enter two integers and select an operation, perform basic arithmetic operations, display the result, and deal with the error of zero divisor. Now let's go second part. I'll go into some details about the second part. The program is divided into two main parts: data, point data, or for storing variables such as user input, strings, for example, exactly, and point text for storing uh, executable code. Yeah, point text for storing code. Now I want to show our code to you. This is our code. You can see this is point data, and this part is point text. Okay, third part. Next, I will explain the algorithmic follow of the program, which first prompts the user to enter two integers in sequence. Then that the user select an operator, performs the corresponding action according to the user's input program, and finally displays the result or error message. Now I want to show to you. We just run our we just run our here. Here is okay. We put first integer as 5, then 7, flip and plus. Yeah, the result is 12. And we know that once the user does the math, they probably won't stop. They need to do more calculations. So our calculator has to keep doing calculations, and here we need a loop structure to keep the calculator working still the user's clicks exist. In addition, in our code, at the same time need to perform conditional checks, such as checking whether the second integer is 0. If 0, there will be an error prompt, and need to identify the operator so as to jump to the correct operation. Okay, if the second integer is 0, it will be error. Okay. Number 4, controller flow and error handling. Control flow management. The main control flow of the program is as follows. 1. Main control flow. Display main menu to user. Receive first number from user input. Receive second number from user input. Receive operator selection from user. Uh, Execute calculation process. Display result and mode transitions. Switch from input mode to calculation mode. Switch from calculation mode to result display mode. Switch to error handling mode when error occurs in any mode. Switch to desist mode from any mode. And part B is error handling. 1. Inputs validation errors. Check if input numbers are within valid range. Uh, well, that if operator is a valid mathematical operator. And the display operated error message and request re-input when input is invalid. Calculation error handling. Detect in deviation by zero errors. Handle numeric overflow uh, situations. Provide warning for invalid operation combinations. The number 5, user interface design. User interface design. The user interface design of the program is as follows. Input prompt. The program will prompt the user to enter two integers and an operator. A result output. The program will display the calculation result on the screen. Error handling. If the deviation by zero occurs, the program will display an error message. B. User experience enhancement. 1. Error message optimization. And 2 is interaction design optimization. The 6. Challenges and solutions. In the process of making our project, the biggest challenge we met was that the loop structure could not run properly. Our program would stop after one operation and could not carry out multiple operations for each for which we checked the code many times and finally find the reason and correct it. Number 7. Overall, this project allowed us to deepen our understanding of assembly language, especially in terms of error handling and the use of registers. And finally, we succeeded in creating a simple calculator um, of promising basic astronomic operations. Okay, and then thank you. We are group 1. Our group members are Liu Xiaowei, La Big Sophia, 党文斌, I and I, Zhou. Thank you for your listen.